The SDMR project is part of Île-de-France Mobilité's desire to modernize the current fleet of trains, renewing more than 700 suburban trains by 2025. A system is supporting SNCF Réseau in managing all the infrastructure modernization and transformation work that the new trains require. More than 150 complex and interlinked projects are underway. This represents a colossal amount of data, documents, and information managed daily by the project teams. Until now, our teams were very busy comparing, combining, and processing multiple pieces of information to monitor the project. With our solution, a centralized database coupled with project and process modeling makes it possible to consolidate information efficiently. Indicators can now be generated automatically using data that's verified and updated in real time. Until now, the reporting work within the project involved searching for and processing a large volume of data that was very scattered, both informatically and geographically. A significant amount of standardization work was required. With our solution, key performance indicators can be generated based on an accessible dataset. This means we can produce standardized representations with minimal effort, improving the quality and efficiency of reporting. Until now, document management has been made difficult by the existence of many dispersed document silos, making it difficult to keep track of versions and revisions or even to update them. With our solution, documents are stored and data is archived, benefiting from better organization and preservation. Until now, the organization of project management meetings based on complex graphics required a lot of work. With our solution, graphical representations are more accessible, allowing easier animation of meetings on the database and a modeling of the processes. Thanks to our solution, which combines system modeling with a data-centric approach, we have a global vision of the project and its functions. The optimized, centralized, and shared structuring and organization of data reduces the effort needed to monitor the project. That ensures optimum planning of rail network modernization work while guaranteeing the highest possible availability for the comfort of users. In addition, our solutions have enabled on similar projects productivity gains of around 20% thanks to better use of data and automation of certain processes.